Let us move towards some technical terms related to theodolite. First is centering. Centering is nothing but when there is a station mark on the ground and here the plumb bob, we can attach the plumb bob here. So centering is nothing but to set the theodolite exactly over the station with the help of plumb bob. Understanding other technical terms, you must know some horizontal axis or vertical axis. So this is the horizontal axis. The axis passing through this line. As you can see, this is the horizontal axis. What is the horizontal axis? The axis about which this telescope is getting rotated in vertical plane. This is vertical plane. This plane we can see. This is the vertical plane of the theodolite, and this is the horizontal plane. This is the horizontal axis about which this telescope rotates in a vertical plane. In a similar way, this is the vertical axis, as this line can pass. This is the vertical axis. It can be termed as the telescope. It is the line or it is the axis about which telescope rotates in the horizontal plane. This is the horizontal plane. Next term is swinging. Swinging is nothing but this movement of the theodolite. Now what we can say technically, when the theodolite, or when we can say when the telescope rotates about its vertical axis, this is the vertical axis. If telescope is rotating in the horizontal plane, see, this is the rotation of the telescope in the horizontal plane. It is about the vertical axis. This movement is termed as swinging. In the same way, there is another term, this is called transiting. As you can say, what is transiting? It is the movement of the telescope in vertical plane. This is the vertical plane. This is the movement of the telescope in vertical plane about its horizontal axis. This is the horizontal axis, and this is the movement of the telescope in vertical plane about horizontal axis. It is termed as transiting. Then the next term is face left or face right. As you can see, this vertical circle, and this is the observer. Observer will stand near the eyepiece. So if this vertical circle is at the right hand side of the observer, it is called as face right. Or when this vertical circle is on the left hand side of the observer, then it is called as face left. Now just you can say this is the face left, this is the face left, as the vertical circle is at the left hand side of the observer, and this we can say this is as a face right, because vertical circle is, while taking the reading, vertical circle is at the right hand side of the observer. This face left position is also termed as telescope normal, and this face right position is also termed as telescope inverted. Then next is changing the face. Now suppose this theodolite is at the face right position, because this vertical circle is at the right hand side of the observer. If I have to change the face, then what should be its face right? Then this is now face right. Now I have to change it to the face left. So for that, what I have to do? I have to do, this is transiting and this is swinging. By doing transiting and swinging, now what I did, I have changed the face of the instrument from right hand side of that is face right to face left. That is vertical circle initially on the right hand side of the observer. Now it is at the left hand side of the observer. Similarly, we can change face right to face left. Now vertical circle is at the right hand side of the observer. This is also, this is called as face right. This operation of changing face left to face right and face right to face left is termed as changing of the face. Now let us see the telescope. This is the telescope. This front glass, there is some front glass, it is called as object glass. Here you can see there is one more glass, it is called as eyepiece, and there you can see here there is some screw. There are, you can see where one diaphragm is fixed inside the telescope. This diaphragm means crosshairs, one horizontal hair and one vertical hair. It is called as diaphragm. This telescope has this object glass, this eyepiece and this diaphragm. Now the line passing through this optical center of the object glass and intersection of crosshairs at the diaphragm is called as line of collimation. And again, the axis of another term is axis of telescope. It is nothing but the line passing through this optical center of this object glass and optical center of this eyepiece and its continuation. It called as axis of telescope. Then next is axis of bubble tube. This is bubble tube. The line passing through tangential to the curve of this bubble tube is called as axis of bubble tube. Then next is temporary adjustment. Before taking any reading with the help of theodolite, we need to set the theodolite. This setting of the theodolite over the station before taking any reading is known as temporary adjustment of the theodolite. Thus, when you perform the practical, you have to first do the temporary adjustment of the theodolite. So, setting of the theodolite over the station to take the reading.